As you can see on the thumbnail, we are going to draw a cat boba tea. Would you like to join me? Yeah, let's go! I love strolling around while slurping boba tea. What about you? Are you ready? Yeah? So we are going to start by drawing the bottom of the cup, okay? So we're going to make a curve at the bottom. Your turn. Alright, and now we are going to make a diagonal line, okay? Left and right. And let's do that to the other side. So it's just slightly diagonal, okay? Great, now let's make another curve for the drink inside. Your turn. Okay, now let's make another line left and right. And another one here. Got it? Okay, well done. And now we're going to make another curve, okay? Yep, right over there. Alright. And now we're going to make a curve again, okay? Watch this. Yep, just like that. Alright, now before we continue, let's make some circles which are the boba, okay? So you can make as many boba as you want, okay? I want to make a 10 on mine, okay? There you go, I got 10 boba balls. Good job everyone. And now let's build up, okay? Now we're gonna start by making another curve, okay? Yep. Alright, and now we can start making the head of the cat, okay? So we're going to make a bit of a fuzzy curve, alright? Watch this. Yep, your turn. Alright, let's make that to the other side. Yep, your turn. Got it? Well done. Okay, now let's start adding the ears, alright? Okay, so we're going to make a bit of a sharp lines, okay? Yep, well done. Alright, let's make the other ear. Cool. Now, before we close off the top of the head, we need to add straw, okay? So we're going to add that right now. Okay, so we're going to make 2 lines like this. Alright, and now we're going to make an oval on the top, okay? hand a curve right over here. Got it? Let's now close off the head, okay? Good job, everyone. Alright, so this straw is going to go inside of the boba, of course. So let's make a straw inside the cup, okay? So we're just going to estimate, okay? So it is going to go through over here, right? Yeah, your turn. Good job. Alright, so before I forgot, let's finish off the inside of the boba, right? We're going to make another curve like this. Okay? Yep, good job. Alright, so now let's add the eyes and the nose and the mouth. Okay, let's make 2 circles as the eyes. And let's add the highlights, okay? So 2 circles in each eye. And let's color that in. Looking good! Now let's add the nose and the mouth. So it's just a small oval and the mouth. Alright, now let's add some triangles as the inner part of the ears, okay? Wow! I think that is done, and all that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do that. Wow, that looks so good! Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun, because I sure did. Remember to like and subscribe this video, okay? And I hope to see you on the next one. Keep on smiling, keep on drawing. Love you, bye!